What's up, people? Today, I want to present an idea that's been formulated in my head for a while based on all this nonsense that's been going on. I've got an idea to use the power of memberships to rebuild part of America. Now, bear with me, and you'll see where I'm going with this. And like I said, this is all based on all this nonsense that's been going on, especially all those morons out there that want to defund the police. Now, if you don't like where this video is going, then beat it. I don't care. Okay, let me ask you a question. At what point did the United States of America become filled with the biggest pussies in the world? I mean, seriously, in my humble opinion, of course. At what point did America become so emotionally fragile that they can't take anything anymore? They cry about the littlest thing. They get upset. They get emotionally hurt like little babies. We used to be the biggest superpower in the world. We beat the fucking Nazis. And now this shit's going on? Hey, listen, I get it. The last few months have been crazy. A lot of shit's gone down. Do I agree with it? No, I don't. But you know what? Any systems in place in America, there's always going to be some bad apples that ruin it for everybody, right? So, let me get to this idea. And it's about memberships and the power of memberships. Okay? Let me just throw some numbers at you real quick. In America, right now, Amazon Prime, 112 million members paying $10 a month, $13 billion that brings in. Spotify, 28 million members paying $10 a month, $3 billion. Netflix, 73 million members paying $13 a month, $11 billion. Microsoft, with Microsoft 365, 38 million members paying $10 a month, $4.5 billion. SiriusXM, 34 million members paying $11 a month, $4.4 billion. All in total, that's 185 million people. That equals $36 billion a year with those services. Okay? Now, the Department of Justice and Homeland Security allocate $720 million to subsidize the police. And I'm sure there's other subsidies by local governments and cities and states. I'm just kind of giving some round numbers. It's not accurate. Like I said, guys, this is just an idea, okay? $720 million a year they subsidize the police. The American population right now, 330 million people. Now, let's just cut that in half. Let's just use half the population as an example. 165 million people. Let me ask you something. Well, first, here's the idea. All you morons out there that want to defund the police, okay, cool, I get it. Let's say that's going to happen. Well, you know what we're going to do? We're going to turn the police force into a privately held national company, a business, and it's membership only. You have to pay a membership to use it. Now, I get it. Cops are paid by taxes already, but let's say that goes away. They're going to be completely subsidized by people that want to use the service and are paying members. Okay? So, let's take half the population, 165 million Americans. What's it worth it to you to protect your house, your loved ones, your possessions? How much is that worth? Is it worth, let's just say, $19 a month? Is it worth $19 a month? $19 a month times half the population, $37 billion to be allocated to the National Police Force. Let's just double that. Let's just say it's $40 a month. $74 billion allocated to subsidize the National Police Force. That's 36 times more than the Department of Justice and Homeland Security is giving them right now. Okay? Now here's the catch. Like I said, All you morons out there that don't want to subsidize the police, listen, this is voluntary. You don't have to become a member. You don't have to use it. Completely voluntary. However, the only way you get to use the service is if you pay for it. So, let me run a little scenario by you. Imagine this. You're home. Somebody's breaking into your house. Shit's going down. Stuff's getting weird. You're in danger. You call 911. Well, technology's in place. We're going to route that number and see if you show up in the national database supporting the National Police Force. If you are, cool, help's on the way. If not, guess what? This is what you're going to hear on the other end of that phone call.
We're sorry, but the service you've requested isn't available. You must be an active paying member to receive assistance. Thank you, and have a nice day.
How about that? Huh? Fair, right? You don't pay for it, you don't get to use it. Let me throw another scenario by you. Remember, if you're an American, you gotta abide by the laws, right? Let's take traffic. You're driving one day, you get pulled over for speeding. Cop's gonna look at your license, run it through the database. If you're a paying member, cool. Hey, it's a regular ticket. If not, ticket's tripled. You gotta pay triple. Hey, that's the laws. You don't like it? Beat it. You don't like this country and its laws? Beat it. So that's the power of memberships and the potential it has to right this country. Guys, this is an idea. It's just a crazy idea. You know, that's how all amazing things happen with an idea. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I don't even know the logistics. It's an idea formulation. That's it. So let me wrap this up. All you fucking morons out there that want to defund the police, the reason why you're sitting in your home all secure and safe and watching this video, or even out in public watching this right now, is for the systems we have in place in America. And one of those systems, one of the oldest, the police, is protecting you right now. And you wanted to fund them. Hey, whatever, it's your choice. I'm just saying. Be careful what you ask for, because you might fucking get it.